4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back and try. Take a wheel sidewise. Legs closer, thang chan. Relax your legs, move your legs. Come in the meow meow. Cat pose. From cat pose, we'll come in the extended child pose. Knee to hip align. Stretch your arms. Monk sound and then try to go down. And then just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Monk swan. Push your hip down here. Hand just a bit ahead. Press your palm. Duak, thêm. If you can do more, then keep your arms inside. Khong duak, jat ko you cannot. Difficult, so khong ka. Here you go. So it depends on you. And then try. Shoulder, Y, open up. Y swan, mochut gap tai. And then try to be nin lane. Look up. Tap chung lung, tap chung tho. Focus on your breath. Focus on your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chan, thang no. Your arms straight, your spine straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chan chai lane, your left leg up. Chan chai chuak, your left leg in between your arms. Chan phai swung, everybody here. Drop your right knee down. Optional practice. If you need the block, use the block. If you can touch the mat, here, 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 so khong kai. Khong duak, cannot use the block. Try and then try to be bent back. Anything you can be try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Tai Swan. Downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang lung. And now the same. Chan phai lane. Right leg up. Chan phai chuak. Right leg in between arms. Chan chai swung. Good. Drop the left knee down. Take the blocks here again. With block or without block, you can try. Come on. Monk swan, long sa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Chan phai sao and meow meow pose. Once again. So we are making the sequence, we are making the flow. Second time we'll go again. Now Neil Praveen, look at me first. So you will do the same thing. And after you can hold the mat. Your toes inside. Option mode. Daugwe swung. Option 2. Daugwe lane. Lift the knee up. Option 3. Thang chai. Tabdi. Option 1, option 2, option 3. Daugwe lane. Khong tuak so khong han. Khong. 1, 2, 3, just down, 4, and now 10. Relax. Monk swan. Again, both palm side of your chest. We'll go the same practice again. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, drop shoulder, chest front, and then try to be Nin lane. Look up. 1, and now Hitva Thauza Tiatu. Continuous breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale. Relax first. Tatka Hitva Thauza. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and then exhale. Once again, Hitva, inhale, and lift your chest up. Lane, Thauza, drop your shoulder and head. And now, Gak Hai Chan, bend your both legs, everybody. Hong Mong Lane, Mong Swang, hip down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back in the child posture here. A little open your knee and then just stay. Monk Swang, hip down. Come on, sitting position. And now we will practice the camel posture. Camel posture we will practice 2 times today. So, Nam Hai Kochan, you have to be hold your both ankles. Options Tatka Pirjo, you all know. Flatten feet. Try Khongdua. You have 2 blocks and then try. Come on, Tabdi. Practice. And then push your hip front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Sitting position, hobo, squeeze, and just look down. Monk Swang. Just relax. And now same, lung high one more time. Again stand on the knee. So this time everybody take the one block in between the thigh and press it. Press. Yes. And now again, lung high posture. Try once again. What you have to do, you have to be keep pressing the block and squeeze your thigh inside and connect your hip with the back. When you hold, you drop. Yes. Konga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax, come back, come in the child pose for the relaxation. Downward facing dog, our last sequence. Chanchai lane, left leg up. chân trái chuộc. Drop your right knee down, chân phải xuống. Tất cả hít vào, hai tay lên. And thở ra, bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hít vào, come back. Thở ra, tay xuống. Learn high second time. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, then try to bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. And now the last time, lăn ba. We will hold a bit longer. Thêm một lần, hít vào, hai tay lên. And thở ra, then try to be bend back. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Downward facing dog. Balance with both hands. 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Tất cả hít vào. Thở ra. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chân phải lên. Right leg up. Chân phải chuộc. Right leg in between your arms. Chân trái xuống. Hít vào. Hai tay lên. And thở ra. Bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Come back. Exhale. Relax. Second time. Hít vào. Hai tay lên. Thở ra. Bend back. Lift up your spine, your rib cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. Relax your hands. And now the last time. Inhale. Both hands up. And exhale. Then try to be bend back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale, relax your hands. Downward facing dog. Everybody first. Everybody inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now, child pose. Relax. Child pose, yes. Relax everybody. Pose on, relax. Relaxation for some time.